Hey y'all, today we're gonna cook some steaks. This is my favorite kind of steak, ribeye steaks. Now, this is the real deal right here. A tomahawk steak. What we're gonna do, we're gonna Cajun sous vide it. Sous vide? Not sure. Anyway, we figure to cook this thing up. Now, when you're cooking sous vide, first thing you do is you get your bag, and we're gonna marinate this thing in this bag. We're gonna put the whole thing in this. Whoa, we have problems. It ain't gonna fit. Yeah, it will. I'll be right back. You ready, Peppy? Going up front look for something, but I had to stop and see Leroy. I ain't seen him in a couple of days. Leroy, where you at? I know he's right here somewhere. What's up, buddy? Me and him been buddies a long time. This is some of the oldest gators in the world that's been here since captivity. These gators were hatched here and brought here and raised up together as one big family. And what's up, big boy? He loves camera guys. He's done ate 2 of them. Up. Come on, get up. Up. Good boy. How you doing? You want to play? Come on, up. That's a big boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. There's a good boy. Hey, buddy, we're going to go, Leroy. We're going to see you in a little while. Daddy's going to bring you some snacks in a little while. Maybe another camera guy. Later, Leroy. Hot outside. Ooh, it's cool in here. Feels good. This is our gift shop right here, y'all. We got everything in here. Alligator heads, aprons, t-shirts, all kind of gator stuff. Gator back tractors. Even got my cookbooks, y'all. Got everything. There it is, right here. That's what I was looking for. All right, y'all. That's enough of this. Let's go cook a steak. All right, y'all, I got this figured out. All we gotta do is figure where we're gonna cut it now. Okay. I guess I'm about right there. All right, y'all. How you gonna hold it? Oh, I got an idea. Oh yeah, no problem. And that's how you do that. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in this bag. Imagine that it fits now. Now we're gonna dump some Dale's in here. Dale's is a pretty strong seasoning. It's real salty. So you don't want to soak it in Dale's too long. We're just gonna pour some up in yonder here. Turn it over. You do the same thing on the other side here. All right. Now with sous vide cooking, what you do, we're just gonna get that Dale season just all over this steak. Now what we got to try to do right now, I'm leaving the bag open right now. I got to get my water. All right. Now y'all can have one of these or buy one of these big expensive machines to do this with. But here in Louisiana, we do it a little different. We do it Cajun style. Watch this. We just use our ice chest. We boil some water, dump it in here. Oh yeah. Dump the water in there. Then we get our steak. Did y'all notice I didn't zip this bag all the way up? We're gonna let this steak go in here. Watch this, y'all watching? Going in slow. Okay. Now what that's doing is getting all the air out of this bag. Once you get all the air out of it, shut it. We're gonna close it up and let it wait a little while. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's been about 2 hours, okay, since we dropped the steak in the sous vide, or the hot water, we called it, in the ice chest. So we're fixing to cook us some smashed bacon potatoes. Y'all, they're gonna be good. Okay, we're gonna start cutting some of these little taters up. And I like to use these little red taters, because they just make things taste good. And no, we're not gonna take the peelings off. We're gonna cut them up just like this. And we're gonna drop all these potatoes in this pot right here. Now we're gonna dump our water in. Oh yeah, and this is what I was telling y'all about. This is Zatarain's crab ball. Do not put a lot in there. It will knock you down. It's strong, it's tough. Just put a little bit. Probably a half teaspoon would be plenty. That is good stuff. Then we're gonna get over here and put this on the fire. Get it going. We on the Blackstone Adventure ready. 17-inch with the burner on the side. We got this on high heat. I'm fixing to light this burner on this side, because we're gonna cook some bacon on it. All right, y'all, we're firing this up. I like thick cut bacon. To me, it just does better. Let's get it cut, and we're gonna bring it over there and stick it on the griddle. And I like bacon any kind of way, to be honest with you. As long as it's got bacon, it's good. And y'all, you cook some of this bacon in the campground on the 17, the bears will come out and just wave at you. Hey, buddy, you'll have friends. With bacon makes friends. All right, y'all. Oh, the bacon looks perfect to me. Like I said, you could cook your bacon however you want it, but this is the way I want it. And I'm gonna show you why in a minute. Look at there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, we're gonna set this bacon down right over here. We're gonna let that just sit there for just a minute. And we're gonna get back over here and mess with our taters. All right, potatoes are just about ready. We're gonna go ahead and dump the juice out. I got my Blackstone 17-inch still on. That's for a reason, because we're gonna cook that steak in just a few minutes. First thing we're gonna do is drop a little butter in here. Let that be chilling out on us. Okay, then we're gonna get our bacon, cut it up real fast. I like little small pieces of bacon. And chunks too, so I do kind of various both. Okay. Now, what I usually do first, that's probably more than enough, but I always do a little more. All right, we got that cut up. Now we're gonna take our potatoes and start smashing them. But first thing we're gonna do, we got a little half and half we're gonna dump in these potatoes. And oh, that just brings out the flavor and everything. Get them smashed a little bit. Now I don't want them smashed all the way. I like them kind of chunky. Once I get this done, we're gonna throw some bacon in it. Now I got lots of bacon here, y'all. Lots and lots. All right. Okay, that's it for the bacon. I'm gonna mix that around just a little bit because we're not through yet. Is that pretty or what, y'all? Adding a little green onions just makes it taste gooder. Now you just want the little ends on it. All right, y'all. Y'all watch this. Okay, we're gonna add some of them in here. Watch. Now I'm probably gonna put a little bit of garlic powder in here. I like garlic. Now we got a little chives we're gonna drop in there. Little chives. Don't need a lot. All right, we're good with that. These potatoes are gonna be super good. All right, enough of this. Let's go to the main course. All right, y'all. Now I got my ice chest full of water here, and it's been almost 2 hours now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 150 degrees. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna reach in this bag. Oh yeah, this steak is actually cooked right now. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna season it up good. Actually, all I'm gonna do is put it on one side for now. Look at there. All right, y'all, this is what I've been waiting on. I'm gonna put it seasoned side down. Listen to the sizzle. Oh my goodness. Is that good or what? Okay, now I got a good high heat going on here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna season the other side of this real good. We're gonna let this sit for a few minutes. Probably about 3 minutes on each side, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I mean, basically what we're looking for here is we got the bacon grease we're frying this in. We're gonna have the beef fat, and it's just gonna make a super blend of different things. It's gonna be good and crispy, and that's what we're trying to look for right here. All right, I think our steak is just about ready. Let me turn it and check it. Oh yeah, is that pretty or what? Y'all look at that, look at that. Crispiness, come on over here. Now this is gonna be the hard part, y'all. It's gonna be very hard to let that thing sit here for about 10 minutes and rest. If you don't, you're gonna kick yourself dead in the butt. We're fixing to do one more big step here. We got our potatoes in here. They're just about ready. They're looking real good, but we got other stuff to do with them. Y'all watch this. I'm gonna reach behind there. Oh yeah. What this is bacon and beef fat, y'all. We're gonna dump this over the potatoes. Oh yes. We don't waste nothing out here in the Bayou country. Y'all watch this. Now we're gonna smash that up together. Oh, it ain't nothing like bacon grease, y'all. Bacon grease always makes it better. This is looking really good. Look how pretty that is. All we have to do now is hurry up and wait. Wait for that steak. Let's get these over here by the steak. Our steak has been resting a little while. We're just gonna cut it right here next to the bone. Look how easy and simple that is. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna stretch it out right here. I'm gonna take my fork and just slice. This could be for 1, 2, sometimes 3 people, but it is perfectly cooked. I guarantee you that, perfectly cooked. I'm gonna stick that bone back over here. And look at that, is that beautiful or what? And don't forget about the potatoes. Oh my goodness, is that pretty or what? Get you, oh golly, y'all. I can't believe I'm fixing to eat all of this. All right, y'all, look at this. Look how pretty that is. Just beautiful. We're gonna cut this up right here. Oh my goodness. And we're gonna eat it. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, melts in your mouth. Try these potatoes. Oh my goodness. Cajun style sous vide. You don't have to buy one of them fancy machines. Boil some water and dump it in the ice chest. You're good to go. All right, this is my father-in-law here. This is a while back. This is me a while back. That's me and him. We collected alligator eggs in the big pond back there. Funny story was, they were the first ones to raise alligators in captivity. Everybody else was trying to raise alligators, they couldn't do it. My father-in-law, Harvard Kleber, and his brother, Robert Kleber, would raise gators and butcher gators and this and that back in the 50s, 40s and 50s. Well, then they started raising gators. Well, they went all over the country, and everywhere they go, they grab 2 or 3 baby gators. And they did this for a whole year, just went all over. And then they brought them back here to the farm and raised them all up together. Now, the rest of Louisiana was trying to raise gators, but nobody could do it because they was getting a big gator from here, a big gator from over here, putting them together. And gators are territorial. All they want to do is fight. They're going to fight until they kill each other. My father-in-law and his brother had the idea if they raised these gators together, there would be one big family. Well, in the meanwhile, the FBI, the state police, all of Louisiana come to take and confiscate these gators from them. And my father-in-law and they was just standing outside with a shotgun, both of them. Said, y'all not getting our gators. And the LSU scientists and stuff went to the back of the pond, and they had like 40 state troopers here, FBI people, just you name it. You know, they was all here to pick them up, and they was going to take the gators. The scientists and stuff and LSU biological people and all that went in the back, and they was looking at the gators and stuff, and they come out and they said, "Ho, leave these people alone." He said, they know what they're doing, because they never could get a gator to lay in captivity. And at the time they come here, they had like 25 or 30 gators laying eggs out there in the nest. And that's the reason we are actually, they've got gators in Louisiana now. They opened the season up because of this. Next time on the Bayou, I'm gonna show you how to cook jambalaya. Jambalaya is a good staple food of Louisiana people, and it starts out with rice and whatever you got. But I'm gonna show you a different way to do it.
Tonight you're cooking with the